Hi everyone, Michael from Bling Tea. I am on a mission to save you time in the morning by combining your tea and your smoothie. We are making a green tea, raspberry, and banana smoothie. Absolutely delicious and incredibly easy. In this blender container, I have 1 cup of ice. This is for one drink, by the way. Simply add 1 cup of pre-steeped and chilled green tea. There you go. 1/3 cup of plain, no-fat Greek yogurt. Pop that in there. Try and get all of the plain yogurt goodness in there. 1 cup of raspberries, fresh raspberries. Drop those in there. 1 frozen banana. 1 tablespoon of agave syrup. I'm using agave syrup, but you can use honey. Honey works just as well. Plus 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, which will give it just that extra tiny little kick of flavor. Pop on the top. And let's mix her up and see how this. Okie doke, we are done. Pop the top. Pour it into a glass. As I was saying, we're making 1 cup, but you've got enough for at least, you've got enough for at least another, you've got enough to share with someone else. I like to pop in a little sprig of mint, which gives you a little something in the morning, helps to waken the senses a little bit. Let's give this a taste. Very nice and fresh. Very, very nice and fresh. The nice thing about this drink, take a look at how pink and beautiful it is that it removes a few calories by not using milk, by using the tea instead of the milk. The tea has absolutely no calories. This deliciousness is going to be on the Bling blog at blingtea.com. Give it a try. Hope you enjoy.